Hey, I'm Andy, and today I will walk you through the process of installing our rigid core flooring. Before you begin, please pause and review the tools needed for the installation. Always follow the instructions, including how to prepare the subfloor. The ambient temperature must be at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit and preferably be less than 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove any wall base. You will need to use a quarter-round molding to cover the required expansion gap. Undercut your door jambs, allowing for a space that is 1/64 of an inch more than the thickness of your flooring. Please note that if one of your side walls has a doorway, that's the best wall to start at. Measure, calculate, and reduce the width of the first row to balance the layout. I recommend a random pattern. All end joints should be at least 8 inches apart while avoiding the stair-stepping pattern. Situate your pre-cut plank in the left corner with the extended locking mechanism facing outward. Then add spacers to maintain the expansion gap. Line up the end joint with the next plank. Engage the corners and then slide the joint together. For the end piece, mark the length, then score and snap the fit. Now check the row for straightness and firm it up with spacers. For subsequent rows, start with the offcut or cut a starter piece. Insert the side joint into the previous row at about a 25-degree angle. Make sure it's fully engaged, then slide it into position before lowering. For the end joints, ensure they are perfectly lined up before lowering. Starting at the T, tap down the high side to lock it together using a dead blow hammer. Complete the row. At the doorways, make sure your cut edges are covered by the door jamb while maintaining the required expansion gap. Continue installing, selecting planks from different cartons to ensure a random look until you have completed your installation. And just like that, you have a new floor that you're sure to enjoy for years to come.